Oh my god. What are the odds?
We have arrived.
Serious.
Where's the child?
What?
We are almost done packing. We shipped our PCs today.
Very stressful, but we did it.
Yes. He does not have COVID.
Thank you for clarifying.
We have 3 suitcases ready.
It's like that. Baby. It's so tense.
Oh my god.
It's a good feeling.
There you go.
Hi, baby. Do I also look tense?
Hey man, now we're bonded by blood.
Hello. Let's go say hi to Ben. Last day.
Last day.
Hello.
Vicky's last day in Ottawa.
Oh, so cute. Nice hair.
Thank you.
I miss you, Key. You enjoy Vancouver?
Yum. They unpacked our entire bag. Very stressful. So I had to re-bag all of it while the cat was freaking out.
She's okay now. Good girl. Ben, look at the pretty sunrise.
Oh my god.
What are the odds?
Yeah,
She
I-
lands and I leave.
This is the last time we'll see each other for a very long time.
On the flight. We're in Toronto. Hi.
Welcome aboard.
Wow. Hello. Hello. Benji. Landed in Vancouver. Got all our luggage. Lisa. We have arrived. This is the guest bedroom. This is the bathroom. Hallway. Storage room.
I want the carpets to change.
Kitchen. Living room. This is the main bedroom. Initial reactions.
We'll make it our own soon enough. I'll have to get used to the heights.
She was good, mostly.
Day one.
Day one.
Backlit, but we're here.
Yeah.
This is our dinner. Our goal is to get hardwood floors, or
Yes.
vinyl floor. And then all we need to do is get furniture, change the lights.
She looks happy.
Are you happy?
Yes. Do you wanna start unpacking?
I'm still like recovering from like diseases and we have no water.
Drink tap water.
Oh, I forgot we're at home.
House tour, POV, miso. Ooh, stretcheroo. Miso-chan. Oh, you're comfy already. Huh? Shopping day. He's still sick.
I'm going full tech gear. My 10-tree hat, my overly pocketed coat, wearing mountain climbing pants, and Chelsea boots.
First home cooked meal. This is our initial dining setup.
Yeah, we're poor students.
Luggage everywhere. Whole place is a mess.
We've been here like 28 hours.
Can we recap what we did today?
Rented a car,
We went to IKEA first. We bought pillow covers and stuff.
kitchenware stuff,
And then we went to Canadian Tire. We bought this table.
and these chairs.
And then we ended our day at Costco.
Very busy at Costco.
We cooked dinner. And here we are. That's our sleeping arrangement.
It's just a bed with a duvet.
How would you rate this setup?
4 out of 10.
Our place will look very different in a few months. Sunrise. Wow.
It's dark because we don't have light reflecting floors. Bed.
We got our PCs yesterday. Goal is to have desks there. And then on this side, we'll have some form of pull-out couch so guests can sleep. Hello.
We're outside. Have the sniffle. The lovely beaches of Canada.
お前面白いやつじゃん。
お前面白くないじゃん。
Did you pay attention? Sit. Back. Back. Oh, I hate this.
Ben is doing homework before going to the club.
That's me.
We're gonna go choose some flooring. Are you enjoying this renovation experience? I'm trapped in this room.
This is day 1. Our shit is so dusty. The carpet is all gone. It's definitely more echoey. This is our floor. The living room. Echo! I'm excited. End of day 2. This is our hallway now. It looks so much brighter. And that's our kitchen. It just looks more seamless. And this is the bedroom. It's really dark. It's an obstacle course.
Definitely cleaner.
This is the final carpeted room. Our last night in this room, probably.
Flooring is done.
These are floors.
Cam.
I'm just investigating.
Hi, Miso.
The kitchen's nice.
This is the living room.
Is this the poop?
Ew! This is the bedroom. This is our work situation. How would you rate your experience?
Fine. It was noisy for 3 days. It's better than carpet.
Look at this kitchen.
So we also ordered a couch and we also ordered a mattress, but they are not here yet. So you will see them next time. Hello. Just wanted to do an update.
Since we got our floors, we got our ND mattress, and we got a bed frame. So this model was sold out on IKEA. I resorted to Facebook Marketplace and ended up getting an older model, but it works. It looks good.
Hi, we're gonna do desk setup. So we got 4 Lanxess, this colored desktop, and we got an Alex drawer. Let's get started. Finishing touches of the desk. Ben's measuring and we have equal amount of space.
And 1 centimeter more.
Let's put the drawers in. We chose a darker countertop. It's called the Ek Backen. Total setup was $300, including delivery. What a beautiful day! Where's the child? We have a new surface for you to hang out on. Squeeze me. Do you like it, Misa? Hello. We got a bunch of packages today. We just got this delivered. Our media console. Wahoo! And we got the cozy couch. And we got a TV. How exciting. This empty space right here will be filled. Set up. Very cute.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It's very good handwriting. A lot of reusable things here. What is this? It's a brownie. How can you ship food? What is this? Oh, it's a blood rage.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.